Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your trade confirmations on Acorns. If you don't have an Acorns account, we will put the link in the description below for you to sign up, and get $5 after signing up and making your first investment. However, if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon. Then a drop-down list will appear. There, you will see an option for Profile and Settings. Click on Profile and Settings. On this page, scroll down a little and locate for the Documents section. Once you found the Documents section, you will see an option for Documents and Statements. Click on Documents and Statements. Then at the upper part of this page, you will see a drop-down arrow beside Statements. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Confirmations. Click on Confirmations. Now, you will see the list of your trade confirmations. Click on the Download button beside the trade confirmation you wish to view. Once the file has been downloaded, open it. And now you will see the content of the trade confirmation you selected. That's how you view your trade confirmations on Acorns. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.